Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We can discuss how to fix printer carriage jam issue. First of all, clear any loose paper from the bin, main input tray, and the slot located. Press the power button to off the printer from the back. Unplug the power cord and wait for the printer to cool. Open the cartridge area. From the front of the device, look inside the printer to check the cartridge area with the help of the handle placed in the middle of the cartridge. Remove the cartridges from the printer using both hands, grab the edge of the paper. Reinstall back the cartridge area and close the door. Load the paper back into the tray properly. Press retry on the error message and try to print the original document from the program. To reset the printer device, press the power button to off the device. Wait for 30 seconds. Then, restart the device to turn it on. Try to print the document to check the status of the device. If it doesn't print properly, move on to the next step. Slide the paper length and width to their outmost positions. Remove any damaged paper as it includes wrinkled, ripped sheets. Make sure at least 10 sheets. The maximum number of 20 sheets plain sheets is allowed. Align the sheets properly and insert the paper tray. Press the retry icon on the error message and print. Check if the printer prints properly or not. On your computer, open a document in the program. Click File. Click Print, and Properties. Adjust the paper length. Print the document to check the printer status.